Good morning, my dear friends, or maybe good afternoon. This is Teacher Jay again. Today we will continue talking about farm animals. Remember, last time we learned about 6 farm animals and what they can do best. Today we will continue talking about farm animals, and there will be another 6, and we will find out what they are doing at the farm. But before we start, you're going to have some small surprise.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, and a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, that was very nice cow. I think you all remember that cow. You all recognize that cow. I think you all know that cow. Was it nice? Yes, I like it too. Okay, let's get it started. What animals can do? And animal number 1 is... Who is it? It is a rat. Rat. Rat-a-tat-tat. So what rat can do best? It can dig. Dig. Do you know what dig means? Here you go. Dig. Dig. Rat likes to dig. The next animal going to be... Who is it? It is a pig. Yes, of course, it is a pig. And what pig likes to do? It likes to chill. Chill. It likes to roll in the mud. It likes to have some rest. In English we say chill. This is what you do when you're at home. But pig likes to chill in the mud, in the dirt. The next animal going to be... Who is it? I cannot hear you. Yes, it's a duck. Duck. And what duck can do? Duck can fly. What is it? Fly. Yes, like an airplane. It flies so good. The wild duck can travel through the globe to the different countries to look for the sun and open water. So duck like to fly. Next one is a turkey. Turkey. Let's see what turkey does very well. Turkey can walk pretty good. It is a very proud animal with nice tail. And yes, turkey walks very fancy. Let's take a look. Wow! Look at the turkey, look at the tail. It is a strange animal and it likes to show off. Wow, this is white turkey. Look at it. It walks so high nose. Wow. The male turkey is so proud of themselves. Look at him, look at him, look at the tail. That is turkey. Very strange looking animal. Very strange looking bird. Alright, who's the next one? It's a cow. Yes, that's right. And cow can do what? Let's read. This is difficult word. Cow produce a lot of milk on the farm. Cow produce. Here is the factory. Factory also produces milk from the cow, but we call it produce. And next one will be hen. Remember this animal? Remember this bird? Unfortunately, it can't fly, cannot fly, but it can lay yummy eggs. What is it? Here you go. Hen likes to lay eggs. Wow. That's it for today. I hope you had a lot of fun and see you soon. Bye.